Jonsered B2126 hand blower. Have to replace the carburetor because somebody has been running cheap gas in it and the carburetor has failed. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start disassembling it and show you how to go ahead and replace the carburetor and the fuel line. First thing I want to do is take the 4 bolts out of the starter right here, 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 and here. Once all 4 bolts are out, you can remove the pull starter. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this screw, and this screw. Now this here should pop right off, along with this exhaust cover. Got the throttle right here. We're just going to pull this out and just disconnect it from the carburetor. Leave it hooked up so you'll know how it goes together. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull the filter box off. Pull the filter out. Now I'm going to take this 5/16 deep well socket, take the 2 nuts off that's holding the carburetor on. Now go ahead and move your choke over so that this housing will come off, and just slide it on out. Okay, now we can go ahead and slide the carburetor off. Just pull it straight out. Probably grab it by the choke, and it's probably easier to pull it out. You got a gasket right here, it might be trying to hold it on. We'll just go ahead and slide it on out. Go ahead and get the gasket out of the way. Now remember, we got a gas line down here at the bottom as well. So at this point, we're going to take both gas lines off and free the carburetor up. Okay, the carburetor's off. I'm going to discard it, and I'm going to start putting the new pieces back on the blower. Now as you can see, it's pretty dirty. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up before I put anything back together on it. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reach down in here, and there's a couple little clips. You got to move them inward and remove this primer bulb. Just like so. Go ahead and pull your hoses up in this slot here and get this out of the way. Okay, since my kit came with a new primer bulb, filter, line, I'm going to go ahead and replace it. We'll go ahead and pull this out of the gas tank all in one piece. Take a screwdriver, just get it down in here. Remember where that tab's at on that side. Kind of lift it up and out of there. Just keep working with it and it'll finally slide out. And once you get it up, the filter, line, everything should come with it. Now I'm going to clean that off before I put the new one back in. I'll go ahead and put the new one back in. Just drop the filter in. Remember the tab there. It goes over to the right. Go ahead and put a little lubricant around it. There we go. Now slide it in there. Takes a little bit of pressure, a little bit of force, but it will go right down in there. Twist it around a little bit, get that tab back over to the right. That way your gas line right here will line up. And there we go. Here's the new carburetor. First I want to go ahead and hook up a gas line to the bottom. Now if the gas line's on there, I'll go ahead and hook the gas line up to the top right here. That way our gas lines are on and we don't have to worry about them. Now I'll go ahead and put it on the bolts here. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to slide this primer bulb through here and lock it in place. Pull it out of the way here. Now, we'll throw the gasket back on here. We'll put the piece right here through the choke. Now it's on there. I'll go ahead and put the nuts on there and tighten it down. So what I do is take this deep well socket, put the nut inside there, and just reach back in there and get it started. Once you get one started, go ahead and start the other one. It's all tightened down, just don't over tighten. Now we'll go ahead and put the filter on. Came with a brand new filter. I'll put the filter cover back on it. Okay, that's all set up and ready to go. Now we'll go ahead and flip it sideways and put the rest of it together. Now once you get the carburetor all bolted down, double check it. Make sure your line is going up this way and right in to your primer bulb, and this one here is going straight down, and make sure there's no kinks in it, or else it's going to cut the gas off and it's not going to start. You don't want to have to take it back apart. Now since this kit came with a spark plug, I'm going to go ahead and replace the spark plug. Okay, spark plug's in. Now when you hook your gas linkage back up, you want to come in like this, and you want to turn it inward, like so. Okay, then you want to go up here, and you just want to push it in, and there you go. Everything's set up. Now we'll go ahead and put the cover on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the exhaust cover on. It should just slide up on there. You might have to hold it in place. Now go ahead, take your cover and put it on from the top first. Just put it up by the switch. Just put it on there and pull down. And once you pull down on it, it should line it up with all these little tabs right here, and it should put it right on there. Yep. Might take a couple tries, but it'll pop on. Okay, now I'll go ahead and put all the screws in these three right here. Now I'll go ahead and I'll put the starter coil on there. And there it is. Now I'll go out and try and start it and see what happens. Okay, now I'll go ahead and prime it. See what happens. Hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.